Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, who am I really? Maybe you've asked yourself, what's my purpose? Or why am I here? These aren't just passing thoughts, they're some of the deepest questions we can ask. And guess what? You're not alone in asking them. For centuries, people have wrestled with these questions, and Catholic theology offers a profound, life-changing answer. You are at Catholic Theology 101, and let's dive in. The question, who am I, isn't just a modern existential crisis. We're actually unique among all creatures because we're the only ones who ask this question of ourselves. And that's our first clue about who we are. We're beings capable of self-reflection, of wondering about our own existence. But Catholic theology goes much deeper. At its core, the Catholic answer to who am I can be summed up in three key truths. First, you are created in love, by love, for love. You're not an accident or a random collection of atoms. You're intentionally created by God, and as St. Augustine famously said, between your existence and nothingness, there is nothing but divine love. Think about that for a moment. Your very existence is sustained by God's ongoing love for you. Second, you're made in the image and likeness of God. This isn't about physical appearance. It means you have a unique capacity for relationship with God and others. You're created with the ability to know and love God, to enter into communion with Him. This capacity for God, what theologians call capax Dei, is written into your very nature. Third, you are a unity of body and soul. Unlike what some philosophers think, Catholics don't believe that you're just a soul trapped in a body. You're not a ghost in a machine. Your body isn't something separate from who you are. It is an essential part of your identity. You are an embodied spirit, and this has profound implications for how we understand ourselves. So, what does this mean for your daily life? It means three things. First, it means your life has inherent meaning and purpose. You're not here by chance, but by design. Secondly, it means your dignity is unshakable. Nothing can take away your fundamental worth because it's grounded in God's creative love, not in what you do or achieve. And finally, it means your ultimate fulfillment comes through relationship with God and with others. We're created for communion, not isolation. So, the Catholic answer to who am I isn't just theoretical, it's deeply practical and profoundly hopeful. You are a beloved creature made in God's image, called to a life of love and communion with God and others. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Catholic Theology 101. Next week, we'll dive deeper into what it means to be made in God's image. Drop your questions in the comments below and let's continue this conversation.